back with a brand new video, people, you see me, the out here again. I don't know, put more mall with it, you see me? You don't know, I go. You know, generally I go get something to eat, because it's early morning now.
Boy.
You need to fill in belly, I want to depend, you see me, the filling thing. I work, we are work. So people, please, please remember to subscribe. At least we need 3,000 subscribers, quick and fast. Don't know, share the video, screenshot it. You know them carry, man, you see me? Screenshot it and post it on Instagram story everywhere, Snapchat everywhere.
You know, make no sense here watch all of the video, man. You now subscribe.
Yeah, no make sense now watch the video. Look what takes place. You can see it. That's right. I can't even. Boy, I saw you go. You see me? So out here, please remember to subscribe, share, and how kind of prank we do again, General?
Invading people privacy.
Oh yeah, we are going to the people in private space. You know Jamaica people really like that. We are going to enter them private space. So check in, tune in, watch. Big up comedy there live. You know, so they don't want the ketchup still, but you want the ketchup still.
What you do?
You want the one, because them don't know.
Share one of the ketchup.
I don't want them one, the one,
Kind of basket.
I need a basket, see it?
You see that in your basket?
Oh. I'm so sorry.
Go right down the line.
So I forgot down there to forget where me are.
Right, that's all. Yes, right, that's all.
Alright.
No, so we can't sit down, sir.
But they just sit down so. What?
No, that's why so we can't sit down, sir. Cool.
Can't wait.
No, say wait. You have to just work the program, you see. No?
No, don't mind me. I'm just doing my own thing, you know? Yeah, I'm there at KFC. Mom, mind if I get like one of your fries or something? I'm not being a bother to you, right? Huh?
You want something to eat?
Like one of your fries.
Over here. When you were in the line, when you buy something in the line.
You know, like I don't got no money, like I'm broke. Oh, so like I can get like one, please.
Right? One not gonna help you.
One of your fries will be good. Thank you. I'm just doing a YouTube video. Let's get up. We're buying get up. One feel uncomfortable. Daddy, where you going? Where you going, Daddy? Sit. Where you going? Look at somebody. Huh?
Looking somebody? Looking somebody?
Huh?
Looking somebody?
Looking somebody that you're trying, daddy. I'm not okay. Yo, man said me I look somebody. Man feel like me a fish. Him check out. Boom, people, so just done much up a new video. You see me, so thanks for the support. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you laugh, and you see me, I'm there for you, a long time now support me, you see me, so I'm off your support in the back. Please screen record the video, post it on Instagram, on Snapchat, everything, you see me, and send them to the YouTube channel, Bigger Comedy. Look out.